I got this Google Chromecast and I got iPhone 13 also, which is updated to the latest iOS version 26 beta 9. I bought this Google Chromecast around US dollar 14. Well, there is some information here that it is actually support 1080p, the high definition, plugs into HDMI port of the TV or monitor, simple setup with the Google Home app, stream from the thousand of the Android and iPhone apps, link provided, etc. etc. Works with the Google Assistant. Mostly the shopkeepers were telling me that this Chromecast sometime do not works or suddenly it stop working with the iPhone or Android. Still, I bought this because I want to check this Chromecast, is it working with the iOS 26, which is currently beta. And just reminding you once again, this is iPhone 13. Before unboxing, I just want to have a look. These are the applications that currently can be watched or can be used with this Chromecast. One more thing I want to inform that I just checked the date. It was launched back in 2021 or 22. First thing, a user manual book which in Chinese language and also in English language. Then the Chromecast by itself. This is HDMI which will goes into the HDMI port of the TV, Android TV or the monitor. And this is basically the Chromecast which have USB Mini 2.0 port, and there is a button here. A cable is also provided in the box, nothing else. This is actually the power supply cable. This is the USB Mini which will goes into the USB Mini port of the Chromecast, and this is the USB 2.0 which will goes into the power supply, and this is the Wi-Fi connector or Wi-Fi something like that. Let's find out whether it will work with the iOS 26. Let me tell you that actually this is 2025.